guys, hi, welcome back this week to another video. This week, you guys, I got a good one for you. Let me adjust the camera really quickly if you guys can see me a little bit better. But this week, this one is a really simple one. Carter's out right now, but what I wanted to do, I just got done whipping up a nice big batch of spaghetti, and I was a little bit pressed for time, you guys, and I wanted to throw something together really quickly because he had been asking me for cookies all week. So I got a treat, guys. I got a treat for him. He doesn't know, and he's not gonna know that I haven't been slaving in the kitchen baking this Sunday. So I picked up something from Walmart, and I'm gonna share it with you guys for my viewers out there who's really don't have the time, but you want something really sweet. So if you're new to the channel, guys, do not forget to consider subscribing. I'm AlphaDior. On this channel, we do sweet baking treats as well as cooking. But by any means, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Walmart. Yep. You see him? Yeah. Something really simple, guys. This here, you're not going to be slaving putting stuff together, homemade, like the flour and all that, the eggs, and it's already here for you. All you have to do, you guys, is add over your favorite toppings, either into the cookies or on the top of the cookies. Here's a little tub of M&Ms I have. So, guys, he had been asking me for cookies like the whole week, but I just didn't have a chance to make them. I was really busy. I was working. So I'm like, you know what? Let me surprise him. He's out. Why not? And when I was shopping yesterday, you guys, I should have did a haul, but I did not. I saw these cookies. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab them. So what I'm going to do, you guys, I think I'm going to make him like a cookie pie. Then we're going to do like some single cookies in this baking pan. And those we're going to add over some M&Ms. So if you the type you like to comment, don't tell them we did not make these cookies from scratch. They're going to be really, like, they're already pre-done. We're just going to put on our little spin on it, and we're going to throw these bad babies into the oven. By the time he gets home, guys, he will never know. He will never know. So yeah, if you're interested to see how we're going to do these cookies, and you know, if you're looking to do something really quick, go ahead and pick these up. You guys may be able to find them in Target. I'm not sure, but again, I picked these up in my local Walmart. So by any means, let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm just gonna spray this. It says on ungrease, but to just make sure we can get these bad boys out, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little extra oomph to it. Just my precaution. But if you look at the back, it'll tell you ungrease cookie sheet. But I want to make sure that we don't have problems when it's time to get them out. So just my precaution, I just went ahead and grease anyway. So I have 2 packs of cookies, you guys. Here it says it makes this one is much bigger. I just noticed this one says makes about 24 cookies, if you can see that. And then this one says 12 cookies. So the packaging looked the same size. So I don't know what's up with that, but by any means, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the one that says 24, which is this one, I think we're gonna use that one for the cookie pie. And if you guys have ever been to like your pizza places, sometimes they offer desserts to where they'll give you like the dessert option. And I can't remember which pizza place, but they have like a cookie pie. So that's what I'm gonna do in this dish. Let me grab some so I can open these things. So we're gonna do like a cookie pie out of this one. And this really saved the day because I really didn't have time to go and make up chocolate chip cookies homemade. So I hope this is a help to some of my viewers out there who like sweet stuff, but you don't have the time. So I think what I'm gonna do is, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get them all over into here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and like smush them down into like the cookie pie. I think that'll make more sense. This one we're not gonna put any toppings on this one because I want it to be like just a plain cookie pie. He's gonna be so happy. He's gonna be so happy because he's been asking for these all week. And you guys know with cookies, it's a little bit more prepping with homemade cookies because you have to get your flour, measure your flour, sift your flour, get your eggs and all of that. And I just didn't have time this week. So a lot of times we want, you know, that extra stuff to do and for our kids, but we just sometimes, if you're a working mom or working dad out there, you know, sometimes it's hard to get that time in to do that. So this was perfect. So if you guys can see, it's kind of like a big, I've squished it into like a big, let me put it up close so you guys can see. A big ball, so if you guys can see that. And I'm kind of like just mashing it around, and we're gonna go ahead and make it into like a, because they were like in little individual cookies. So now you see it's like a big old piece of dough. All right, and I'm just mashing it just because the cookies were separate. I'm just getting them together here. And if you like, if they're frozen, just let them throw out for about 15 minutes or so. And what you want to do is go ahead and pop it down in your thing, in your baking pan, and just squish it down. You guys can see like so. And another thing you guys can do, if you guys know what Nutella is, that may be something I may do for him too. You guys can get some Nutella. You might need 2 packs of the cookies. Get you some Nutella and like mash your cookies down like so. If you guys can see that, put your Nutella in the middle and get a second batch of cookies and put on top, and then you have like a Nutella pie. If you guys have never, I've made that once before. I don't think I've made it for you guys on the channel yet, but that's another good idea. So I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna come back over here and let you guys see what I just did. You guys want to use gloves when you're doing that because it makes your hands all icky. And if you know me and you watch the channel, you know I don't like my hands all icky. So if you guys can see that, simple. And that didn't take but about 10 minutes, if that. Okay, so it's into our handy dandy baking dish. That one is done. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move over into our second pack of cookies. Now with these guys, I'm gonna do a little bit different. What I'm gonna do is take these out individually, tell us it makes 12, and sit them on the baking pan, and then we're gonna come in with some of our M&Ms and place on top. When he come home, he'll think I've been slaving in the kitchen for a good little amount of hours. Okay, so I'm just gonna place these all around. Like so. And you know what, guys? I think they had like sugar. I think they had like the sugar cookies, but I just went ahead and got these. He wasn't there, so he didn't know I got the pre-made cookies. He don't know. But I'm quite sure he would appreciate it either or, but I just didn't have time to just simply go in and make cookies. So I'm just mashing these down in the center a little bit, like so. That way I can have enough room for, if you guys can see I'm mashing them out, I can have enough room to put the M&Ms on there. They probably wouldn't be good with like pecans or walnuts on top. So hopefully he's gonna be happy with these. I'm quite sure he will be. So yeah. Okay guys, so let me just pick them up and move them a little bit, adjust them. And I don't want too many M&Ms because not too much M&Ms on here, but just a little, just to give it like a little pizzazz or whatever. All right, so there's 12 cookies. If you guys can see, there's 12 cookies. You guys can see that. And let me wash my hands really quick. We're gonna go in and we're gonna throw a little bit of the M&Ms on top. Because like I said, you guys, if you're busy, like a busy mom, or just a busy person, if you want something, sometimes you don't have time to always go in and do all the homemade stuff. And on this channel, sometimes I don't have time for a lot of that. So we're gonna make it do what it do. And what we're gonna do, see, I'm just color coordinate. I did red on one, blue on the other. And for a kid, they'll think, hey, my mommy did all this, and really wasn't. It didn't, I didn't take that much time doing it, but he don't have to know that. So I think we're just gonna do a couple of these with the M&Ms, not too many, because again, Trinity may not want the M&Ms all on hers. Yeah. So just like so, let's go and put another. Okay. All right, let's do another yellow. On the orange rather. Okay. So I'm gonna hold this up, let you guys see. So if you guys can see what I did there, something really, really simple, really quick, and I guarantee you he will really appreciate it. The fact that, okay, mommy made the cookies that I've been wanting all week. So really simple, really quick, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get these over into the oven. Also, you guys, if you have not already, I think I told you guys last week, if you have not yet checked out that strawberry parfait video, go run and check that one out and come back. You can watch this one. But by any means, I was telling you guys I had started every Monday I've started putting motivational quotes in the community tab. So go check that out, the community tab. Each Monday I'm gonna try, not every Monday, but you know, some Mondays I'm gonna try to throw you guys, my viewers, a motivational quote to get you through your week. Sometimes we're busy and sometimes we just need a little something to just get us through our week. And these quotes are going to be motivational quotes just to inspire you guys, to inspire you to do some of the things that you probably wouldn't do, or, you know, just to, you know, make you feel a little bit better for the week. Because sometimes we work and we be just all caught up in everything. We just need a woosah, a woosah. So I hope you guys enjoy the motivational quotes that I put in there. Leave comments. Let me know if you guys enjoy that type of stuff. But by any means, we're going to get these cookies over into the oven. We're going to come back and we're going to have us a cookie pie. Boom. And some cookies, you know. And yeah, so something quick to make up for the kiddos. And hopefully you guys will get a chance to make these up. And remember, you don't have to make it from homemade. I did this in what, like 15 minutes? 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys. You can't beat that. So let's go ahead and get them into the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we are finally done. We are back. Excuse me. I'm going to let you guys see exactly how the cookie pie turned out. If you guys can see that, really simple. And all you would have to do, you guys, is cut it. I think I would cut this maybe in like the pie shapes. And here are the cookies for Carter. If you guys can see, the ones with the M&Ms, and then we have the plain cookies here. So something simple, really simple, very quickly, I would say that took just to prep them 10 minutes or so, to stick them in the oven, you know, 20 minutes or so. But with all that being said, they turned out great. And all I have to do is get these over into a nice, you know, Tupperware bowl or something of that nature, and he can enjoy them. You know, it did not even take that long. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for weekly treat ideas, soon meal ideas. But yeah, go ahead and check out the other videos, and I will see you guys in next week's upload. Not sure yet what I have planned for that one, but by any means, I'll be back. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick 10-minute great cookie idea, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.